You know, some of you can't get out and fish, you know, and you might as well at least get to watch it so y'all can get a taste of what we're doing.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Good morning, Frog Martin followers. We're on a private lake that nobody's allowed in unless you're a resident of any of the 50 states of the United States of America. Right now I'm looking at 20 boats up in the grass, dipping for spawning males, making the beds right now. We're hoping to pick up some big fat females out here in a little deeper water. So stay with us and find out. Oh, there he is, Dad. There he is, Dad. First fish of the day. It's gonna be you, then. I can't get it. I think Dad's got one. Is it a speck this time? What you got? Did you get the net? That's a speck? Nice. There you go. Well, I'm talking about. He's borderline. What you reckon?
Throw him back for now?
Let's throw him back for now.
He's a little on the...
Yeah, he's a little on the skinny side. Show him to that GoPro up front before you toss him. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. First speck of the day.
Catfish.
I think it's because they can see it better. Because it's got that fluorescent orange and all.
Yeah.
And so far we have caught 2 fish, 1 catfish, 1 speck. We threw them both back.
Oh yeah.
All right.
That one there.
Little fat daddy. That might be the first one for the
Cool.
ice box.
I say throw him in there.
Throw him in there.
Fill it out.
Dadgummit. Okay. I got one. This feels like a nice one. It was going backwards, wasn't it?
Going backwards. That's going like that. It's big.
Why is it still going backwards? There we go. Booyah! Now both of these was my... This one right here, he ain't gonna cut it. He ain't. Okay, I think we're back on track here. Okay.
Feels a little better.
Feels a little better.
About like the rest of them.
Yeah. He's a tad heavier.
Yeah. It's up to you. Whatever you think.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I mean, he's alright, but I just don't think so. Yeah? Let me get in yet. Huh?
Huge. Yeah, way littler than I thought.
Yeah?
Would be.
I mean,
he's decent, but he's not as big as I thought by the way he was pulling.
you thought he was about to be a 2-pounder?
Nah, I thought he was about like that
Yeah.
first big one.
So, he's borderline.
Yeah.
He's gonna go back.
Yeah.
Get that pole down. Get that green out. Yep. There you go. Yep. One more keeper. I think that's gonna be him right there. He's swimming way all over the place. Chuck him back. I'll get it. hard to cast. Can't do that.
Yep. Yep. Oh, he is a little old feller. But you know what? We refreshed the baits and look what happens. Whammo. Little old skeester. Golly.
It's on second one over here. Like a pulling like a good one. Oh yeah. Newnans Speck.
Not shabby.
That's a good one.
Yeah. He's thick. Nice speck. See how big he is?
Yeah.
Compared to my hand.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Keep on. That same one. That's it now. Do you feel like another good one? Good. I can't hardly tell by when I'm pulling them in like that.
Basically, the quicker they come to the surface,
The littler.
whatever it is on
Start the little one.
the big outside green one.
This one?
Yeah, see it? Get that. Got another one over. Okay. Alright.
That ain't me over there.
No, this is me. You got one too? Don't worry about that. This one's a throw it back. Don't worry about that. Once you just bring it in and we'll get the line off of it. As soon as you lift the fish and take the hook out, the line will fall off usually. And just go right down the fish. It's fine. I can tell if you're the keeper or not.
I don't think so.
Nope. Can't quite tell. Got to catch it.
Yeah, or no.
Now that one, you're gonna have to spin. See how the line's kinked up?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna reel. So you crank it up a little bit, then you got to have to spin the rod to figure out how it's twisted up there. That's what I was coming to, but I didn't make it. Get it?
can't throw back a 12-incher, can I?
You want to eat it? We eat.
He's borderline. I'm throwing him back. No. It might be an eater. No. Oh. Give it some line.
Got him?
Yeah. It was close. Oh. Oh. 11. I got one hanging in the water there. He's going back. Water. That's 4 we just picked up right there.
I'm gonna say, well, I can still put a minnow on a hook.
You can't make this up. You can't make this up. And look, I don't mean to sound ungrateful, but if these little teeny annies, like I'm sure everybody in this lake is happy as a lark
To keep one of them?
to keep that.
No,
But I'm just
I
telling
wouldn't
you,
keep it.
it ain't gonna happen.
You still got your minnow?
No. No, it looks, that's a sweet looking bait, but no. I can tell you right now, they are not spawning out because there would not be that many males this deep.
I'll get a good one here in a minute. You would think. Something biting on this side. I don't know. I keep seeing that little rod. I don't know if it's the little rod that's getting bit or the other one of the others. Something on that one. Green. Let's see what it is.
Oh, I got it. It's all over that. I don't think so. It's just too close. Just too borderline. 10 inches outside the pole.
Oh,
Maybe he is a keeper, I don't know.
they're all fatter than the other ones. Well, that one's pulling. We may have a short enough keeper now. Need a net.
Ooh!
These are pulling the fire out of it.
Golly. Yes, sir, boys.
Oh yeah, that's better. That's a better fish.
Huh? fishing on. No problem. He got one of my others. Okay. Gum. That ain't off the same bad blasted thing.
Alright, that's a keeper.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Another keeper. In a minute, I reckon I'm gonna get to eat my sandwich. There he is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll go back. Golly.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah. Big boy. Yeah, he ain't chubby. Well, he ain't huge, but
Oh yeah.
oh, hear that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Minner.
Yeah. There ain't nothing wrong with that.
It's a good one.
Sir. So here's what's happening. The famous or infamous salmon salad sandwich. I got a video and a short telling what's in this sandwich, but it's probably the best fish sandwich you'll ever have. But just to recap, there's baked salmon, that's seasoned, pickles, eggs, mustard and mayonnaise, little Italian seasoning, and quite a bit of poultry seasoning, that green powder, salt, pepper, and that's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's money. Oh yeah. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Caught 50. Oh yeah? Is there any good ones? 6 of them. Yeah. 6 of them was real good.